technical analysis, and right now it is very likely that KRL could have potentially an outbreak, and we can see targets like we are going maybe to see many other targets, including, I will tell you exactly now. First of all, let's draw our Fibonacci retracement from this top back on 2nd January down to this bottom. I can go even to the daily frame, okay, and you can see right here we approach the 1.08, which is the first resistance level, but we have the chance to explode. All we need to do is now go above the 50-day EMA. If it lets us to go above the 50-day EMA, then we can go towards the next price target, which can be 1.24, and maybe even the 1.38, maybe even more. I'm not talking about higher targets, because you know, when the volume increases rapidly and when we see the money transfer into KRL, we might be seeing some further pump up, some further price targets, okay? So it is very likely to pump up. Of course, if you want more pump ups like this, you can join us or our monthly subscription. I have the links in the description box. But anyway, let's proceed right now and go into the next targets. I think that we can achieve those. However, though, we have a little bit of a high chance, of a high risk actually, with the commodity channel index. Okay, so if we see the commodity channel index right here, you will see that we have a high risk due to the fact that the 4-hour frame, that we have an overbought situation right here. So you should be careful before we break this level. Please keep yourself away. It is not safe to get in. However, if you see that we are breaking this line, okay, you can get in. It is very nice. None of this is financial advice, of course. That's my personal humble opinion, and I think that it will be a nice buying entry. Okay, seeing the stochastic RSI, we have an overbought situation as well, but at these times we see also the RSI, the relative strength index, which is not in an overbought, and therefore we can go potentially even more, go above the 70. Okay, at the time being though, we have to break this line, but I have seen these patterns and it is very likely to have a breakout. Okay, we still have a risk, we still have a market that is bleeding right now, but I'm talking about money transfer. We usually see altcoins pumping like crazy, 200% in just one day during these difficult times. Okay, money transfer, they need to make up from these lows that we are in, so that's why they are going into the other altcoins as well. That's why they are going and they are moving to the altcoins that can potentially have a 50% swing high, a 100% or something like that. Okay, so definitely this is one of the times, but we just have to break the level of 1.08. If we do not do that, then it is not fine. On the daily frame though, you will see that we do not hold a low and high risk actually. Instead, we just went upwards right now, seeking to go above the 80 for the stochastic RSI, seeking to have more of a crazy pump up. You can see KRL was consolidating all the way. It is having some pump ups like these, 30% just one day, maybe even more, than correcting. I think this will be one of the other times as well when we will see a pump up due to the fact that there will be higher volume and the money will transfer there. We will see a quick pump up and then a dump. So you need to be careful. If we break this line right here, the 1.08, we will see a very huge pump up, but then it is very likely that we fell down and we have a quick pump up and then a quick dump. So please be careful going into these trades, because you might lock your USDT and then you won't be having more into spending, and then you will be waiting so long. You can see back then, for example, some people that bought around 1.78, they have to wait for so long till maybe KRL has a pump right there. Okay, so first we break the 1.08, then we can go to the next targets. Okay, because if we do not break it, then it is a little bit harder. However, we have chances, good chances into breaking, good chances into the money to transfer into KRL. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.